Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear Messenger conversations. If you want to remove conversations from Messenger, follow these steps. So open the Messenger app, then find the conversation you want to remove. Then what you need to do next is to press and hold the chat, just like so. Then tap on delete. So confirm by tapping delete conversation. So once you click delete, that chat or that conversation will be permanently deleted. So including messages sent before the chat was end-to-end encrypted. Now, if you want to clear multiple conversations, so what you need to do is to swipe it down. So once you swipe it down, you'll see the three dots beside the groups. So click on the three dots. Then from here, click select chats and select the chats that you want to delete. So for example, this one, and this one. Then click delete or you can move them to your archive. So, deleting a conversation removes it only from your account. Other participants can still see the messages in their inbox, and deleted conversations cannot be recovered unless you have a backup or copy elsewhere. And that's basically it. So, that's how you can clear Messenger conversations. And the last step is open the chat. So, open the conversation. Now, select the chat that you want to remove, then press and hold it, then click on delete. Click delete again to confirm the action so you can choose to delete for everyone or delete for you. And that's it, the message will be deleted. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.